Top winning products to sell in April 2024. Start Shopify dropshipping. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Shopify dropshipping and what are the top most winning products that you can sell in the month of April for yourself in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So obviously, to start things off, if you don't know about Shopify's dropshipping, this is how you're going to do it. Basically, you're going to come over to Shopify. Once you come to Shopify, you're going to go on apps. You're going to click on add apps. And once you click on add apps, you can simply go ahead and add any application for your drop shipping. Now, when it comes to the best, most trending products, we're going to be using a website called Ali Dropship, which will help us in the best products. So I'm going to be talking about a few of the products that I think are good and niche and good for selling. So the first is screen protector and film. Now, the display market is set to keep growing rapidly when it comes to screen protectors, okay? And you can actually see the graphs and the charts that keep going up, and they go up for a decent price. So even if you sell or drop ship for like $1, and I guess you sell like 200 in a month, that's what, $200, which is incredible, right? Then moving on, we have wireless charging stations, okay? Now, wireless charging stations are pretty much power banks, okay? You just carry them anywhere and someone will just put their phone on it and their phone will start charging. That's pretty much what a wireless charging station is. So it's a pretty good purchase. I wouldn't personally recommend it, but you could go for it because it goes for a pretty decent price, and a lot of people do go ahead and buy it. Then we move on to wearable devices. Now, wearable devices are things like, an Apple Watch, fitness tracker, Fitbit, and a whole lot more. And you can get these things for quite cheap nowadays, like something around $70, $10, $12, something like that, right? So, now the reason I would urge people to buy this is because of all the benefits that it gives you, all the fitness, track abilities that it gives you. It's pretty incredible, and I would definitely urge users to get this for themselves. Okay, then you have things like phone tripods, microphones, TWS earphones, Bluetooth headphones. All these products are something you can buy in the month of April because obviously in the month of April you don't have a lot of special festivities, you just have April Fools. So yeah, these are the things you can buy and give to people. One incredible thing that you can get is this car seat cover, which is a heatable warm cover, and it goes off for a very decent price, like around $21. And look at the purchases. It's absolutely crazy. Like the purchases are wild. So, these are things that you're going to want to get for yourself. So yeah, these are the top trending products. You can also check it on olidropship.com/trending-products-to-sell. Okay, check it right now. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now, do let me know down in the comments below what product you think will be best for you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.